If you want to add a pedometer to the home screen in order to count steps on a Motorola Edge 70, what you can do is you can press and hold your finger on an empty space over here, and then we can go to widgets. Now once you go to widgets, you should be able to find the Fitbit app, which can be used in order to track steps. As you can see, we have this widget over here, so I'm gonna drag it and drop it over here as an example. Now in order to actually track the progress, we need to log in. So open the app. If you tap on the widget, you will be immediately redirected to the app, and you will have to set up an account. So in my case, I'm going to use a Google account. This is a Google app, so of course you can use your Google account quite easily. And once you set everything up and grant necessary permissions, then you should be able to see the app working just fine. You can also, I believe, edit the goal, because over here we have the number of steps. Over here we have the goal, 8,000 steps, but we should be able to tap over here in order to change the goal. Maybe actually we have to go over here. Let's go to Fitbit settings, and let's see if we can actually find it. We have activity, there we go, we have steps, 8,000 steps per day. We can tap on set goal in order to change that. Here we have minus and plus buttons. So yeah, and now if I go to the home screen, the widget should be actually working now at this point. Maybe we need to refresh it somehow. And maybe if I just re-add the widget, it's gonna work. So let's remove the widget. Let's add it one more time, although I'm sure it should not be really necessary to do so. There we go, it's now working just fine. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.